Standing high above Swaledale, the remains of Crackpot Hall sit in the heart of what was once one of Yorkshire's busiest lead mining landscapes. Built in the 18th century, it began as a farmhouse but stood at the centre of the moorland mines that shaped this valley's history. Families lived and worked the land and veins that cut through the hillside here, all in awe to one of the smelt mills below. Life at Crackpot Hall was hard, isolated and defined by the rhythm of the mines. The clatter of wagons, the smoke of the hearth and the shifting ground beneath their feet. By the early 1900s, the house was abandoned, left unstable by subsidence from the mine workings below. The walls that stand today are scarred by time and weather, but they echo with the resilience of those that laboured here. From above, its story unfolds in the landscape around it, the spoil heaps, mine shafts and faint tracks that once connected a community to its survival. Here the hills still carry the marks of that industry, and Crackpot Hall stands as their witness. A fragment of stone and memory that tells of work, struggle and the quiet strength of those who built their lives among the lead.